We've got a 3-tab shingle repair. It's using a shingle gauge. It's gauging in between a 20 and a 25. It's closer to the 20. The address here is 6016 Lower Macungie Road in Macungie, PA. As you can see, this is the damaged one here with the stripe. I'm gonna break the seals of these above, and we're gonna remove the shingle and put a new shingle in. that ice and water underneath here? Might be ice and water, that's why it was all sticky. done now, and just before I even simulate wind or anything else, I'm gonna take the camera from you. And we can see there's cracking, fracturing, and breaking all in here. So those got creased as I was putting the nails in. And I did take my time with them, but you can especially see like these here is all cracked and broken all the way through. With a little bit of wind simulation, you can see the granulars are coming off. And that's even if I just rub my hand. You can see that those have creases to them now. They're not big, but it's fracturing, especially right here. You can see there's a crack. And I was very, very gentle with those too. So again, here's another one. Big fracture right here. Another one up top. It runs all the way along through here, and you can see it. Same thing over here. There's your crease all at the top. As over here too. Now the chalk's in the way, but yeah, it causes a lot of damage because these are so brittle. So there's a 3-tab shingle repair attempt that failed on the house at 6016 Lower Macungie Road in Macungie, PA.